Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to transfer a domain from Hostinger to another Hostinger account. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. This is my first account and this is the email address of the second account. So to start this process, simply click on domains on the first Hostinger account. This is the domain name that I want to transfer. Click on manage. Then go to domain ownership and below move domain to another Hostinger account, click on move domain. But before this, let's read this. This feature allows you to transfer your domain name to another Hostinger account. It makes managing multiple domains under a single account or transferring ownership easy without losing the domain's settings. This feature will not move your website files or databases to another account. Now click on Move Domain. Here fill in the email address of the Hostinger account to which you want to move your domain. In my case, this is the email address of the Hostinger account that I want to transfer my domain to. Before that, let's go to the domains page. As you see, the domains page is empty on my second account. I will move back to the first account, fill in my second account email address and hit confirm. Before this, after the domain is moved to another account, a transfer lock will be enabled for 10 days. Click on confirm. Domain move initiated successfully. A request to move the domain was sent to the Hostinger account associated with your email address. An account owner must approve the request to complete the domain move. Click on close. As you see, pending domain move, status initiated. Now I will try to access my second Hostinger account email address inbox, and this is the verification or the confirmation email message that I received from Hostinger. Confirm domain move to your account. We have received the request to move your domain name to your account. Click the button below to confirm the request. Once the request is confirmed, you will be asked to fill in the new domain registrant information for your domain. And as you see, the request is valid for just 10 days. Click on confirm. Now I am just to make things clearer for you. Now I am on the second Hostinger account where I want to move my domain name. As you see, review your domain move request. A request to move your domain name to this Hostinger account was submitted. Choose if you want to accept or decline it. Yes, I want to accept this domain transfer. You are about to accept a request for your domain name to be moved to your account. Click on confirm. Here, fill in the primary information and you can enter your contacts details. Click on finish registration. I need to fill in my contact information. Moving domain move initiated. We are confirming the domain move request. It can take some time for the domain to be moved to your account. Click on continue. Pending domain move email confirmation for your domain name. To transfer your domain to another account, we'll send confirmation emails to both original and new account emails. Simply click the confirmation link in each email to complete the domain move. And this is the confirmation domain registrant change. We received a request to update the registrant information for domain in alignment with the icon. Rules we're required to verify these changes before proceeding. Review your contact information. You can click to move forward with the change or reject to decline. In case you do not take any confirmation before this date, this request will be automatically cancelled and changes will not be applied. By accepting these changes, you agree to be bound by our domain registrant agreement and other terms. Click on accept. Registrant change has been verified successfully. And here note that you must accept this change via both emails to proceed. If either is rejected, the update will be cancelled. The following update or following this update, your domain name will be locked from being transferred to another registrant for 60 days. Now let's search for the email or the confirmation email on the first Hostinger account email address inbox. And here is the second confirmation email message that I received on my first Hostinger account or my original Hostinger account email address. If you don't receive it on the first Hostinger account email address, check your domain name registered email address. Now click on accept. Registrant change has been verified successfully. You can close this page. I am now inside my second Hostinger account, and as you see, after clicking on the check again button, after I think around a minute, I received this message which says domain move completed for my domain name. Domain move has been completed and will appear on your list in a couple of minutes. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom.builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Domain move has been completed and will appear on your list in a couple of minutes. And let's check the email messages that I've just received. This is the first email, new registrant details for my domain name. We are notifying you regarding successful registrant information change for your domain. Review the domain below. Now let's check the second email. Domain move request has been completed. Your domain has been moved away from your Hostinger account. And if you need help, you can contact our customer support. Now let's refresh this domains page to see my moved domain. And as you see, this is my domain name is moved to my second Hostinger account. Here, if you notice that the moved domain name is different from the one I've started showing you in this tutorial, don't worry. I had issues receiving the confirmation email on the first domain name. Because I had some DNS issues with the inbox of this domain name, I've tried moving the second domain name, and I've edited videos to show you the rest of the process. And this is how to transfer a domain name from Hostinger to another Hostinger account. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.